Emmanuel, God with us. If God is with you, no devil can stop you. They will try, but when they see Emmanuel, they run away. They can't stand before his presence. Yes.
The mountains skipped like goats.
The mountains were skipping like goats to give way because a set of people that carry Emmanuel are coming. They are coming. A set of people carrying divine presence are coming. Yes.
The hills jumped about like lambs.
The hill was jumping like lamb because a set of people that carry divine presence are coming. Yes.
What happened? See, to make you run away.
That's the question now.
And you, oh Jordan, why did you stop flowing?
Jordan, why did you stop flowing?
You mountains,
Mountain,
why did you skip like
why
goats?
were you skipping like ram?
You hills,
You hills,
why did you jump about like lambs?
Yes.
Tremble, earth,
Tremble
at the Lord's coming.
Are the Lord's coming?
At the presence of the God of
At the presence of the God of Jacob.
who changes rocks into pools of
Who changes rock into pools of water?
and solid
If you carry divine presence, no matter the devil, they will dissolve. Pay the price to carry his presence. Pay the price. Pay the price. You will bless God for your life. Listen to me, brothers and sisters. You have no two lives. It's one life. Make judicious use of this one life. This is an opportunity you have. Make judicious use of this life. Dear God, by living in faith. Dear God, by practicing your faith, and see if your story will not change. Try it for 3 months. If you remain the same, tell me I'm a liar. Dear God, in every area of your life, dear God, Lord, I dare you for these 3 months. I live for you. Practice your faith and see if your story will not change. It's not a God that lies. We read in the first service, in 1 Samuel, that God is not a man that he should lie. The strength of Israel is not a man that he should repent. If he says it, he stands by it. If he says it, he means it. Dear God, and see if your story will not change. Dear God, and see if value will not come to your life. Divine presence. They were all challenges were skipping. Mountains were running away. Divine presence. Why are they running? Divine presence. Things were changing for them. What is happening? Divine presence. Jordan as a river dried up. Why? Divine presence. You can't be stranded when God is with you. Never. You can never be stranded when God is with you. Never. When you are stranded, it's an evidence that God is no more with you. You can never be stranded in the arena of God's presence. Never. If you look bleak, but when the presence of God comes, Emmanuel, everything changes. Everything changes. God knew it from the beginning. And he said, I know you need my presence. And he gave us the gift of Emmanuel, Jesus Christ. Before Jesus came, they needed to look for how to see God. They need